Yeah. I'm putting out riggers on this rascal. I think I found a solution. Y'all know what these are. You slip them through the eye of a tarp. Supposedly, you know, it's... Anyway, we're going to take this. We're going to cut this leg right here. Self-explanatory. This tucks in that. Right? This does come over the top. Well, what happens is you half hitch it twice. Now this is a knot, so you got to work it, right? So you work it down to a neck. You got to have a neck, because if you don't have it underneath this neck right here, it's going to come off. That's my solution now. I'm going to follow this up with some padding for this. I don't know about putting that kind of stress on this material, what it's going to do. We'll find out. Right now that looks like a pretty good solution for this, for the outriggers. Outriggers is everything in a hammock, man. That makes that Hennessy. I'm going to put one on the other side. And then we're going to go on back our way. Oh, yeah, buddy. Indeed. Oh, I ain't going to fool with that. I'm going to cut that baby loose. Okay. I'm not in the mood. That's right, though, buddy. I'm in a hurry. I need to check my trap. See what's happening with my trap. Now this little, all of a sudden, it's going to be a butt. I don't know why. What are you doing? That's fucking nine. Excuse my French. Getting in my way. Well, that don't, boy, that treated line don't want to slip. Alright. What we at here? Now I'm going to do one right here. Hennessy's like this. It's staggered. It ain't across from each other. But this hammock ain't quite as wide. I could probably get a little wider if I lowered it some. But I don't want to lower it no more. Not in these damn woods. Anyway, here we go. Now what we're doing is we're tucking this under here. And we're going to pull this back about 1.5 inches. And we're going to make a neck. Now I ain't twisting it. That's your neck. Excuse me. I got this damn thing on my hat. You're gonna make a half hitch. You want that, you want this leg to come around behind the dead side of the line. By the dead side, I mean this line is coming over the top. Now you pinch this down, get your damn hand out of the way, and pull this in. Now I'm trying not to stress this damn nylon too much. You need a neck, so you gotta get that baby cinched in down there. Take this, you do another one. This leg, the long leg, goes underneath this loop, the loop leg. The leg is coming over. See what you got. You put your knot in here. I'll do a double, like a half surgeon knot here. Pull that baby in and tie it back on itself, like so. It's an easy knot to untie, and it holds well, especially in these synthetic lines like this. They'll slip, that knot will catch them. We're gonna get the, we're gonna swap ends with this baby. Oh yeah. Come over here, you catch him here. What I'm doing right now, I'm double bunging it. Give me some long bungee. Put his hammock set up. Well, right now, my calculations, I'm into this hammock about $78 and some odd cents. And then when I throw in the $13 for that issue, I don't know what it costs now. That's what I paid for, $13. So I'm under $100 on this rig. I didn't buy this, I had it already, but I mean, that is money. But I guarantee you, you can rig this puppy up. Well, you can sleep in it, baby. And it makes a huge difference. And you can adjust these however you want them. But it keeps them sides from closing up on you like that. They get hot in these wood the summertime. So that's a fix for that. I need to move this over, but I'm in a hurry as always. But that's my fix. That's what I'm talking about, spreading this hammock. That was good. Damn it, man. But that's what I'm saying. You can spread it more than this. You know, especially when you lower it. The lower you go. That sounds like a hog. The lower you go, the more width you get. You get a little bit more width on the side. But anyway, I'm telling you, for the money, that's a sweet little hammock, man. You just need a little TLC, that's all. That's all it needs. A little TLC. See what I'm talking about? Yeah. I don't know. Let me see. Maybe so. We'll talk a little, buddy. Let's see about this. Put me out. Boy, these aluminum issue US military stakes is the shit out here in these old softwood. I don't want to leave home without them when I'm camping. They hold. There we go. Now. That's more better. Shit, you pull more than that. A lot more than that. Come on. There you go. There you go. That is enough. Gotta tighten that one up. It ain't tight enough. Particularly. We're gonna get this adjusted here. Let y'all have another look at it. But I'm telling you right now, these outriggers. I mean, you got to have this in the summertime out here. It's 89 degrees to 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock in the morning, man. There we go. Now, that's a good spread. That needs to be down here. I don't know why that hinges like that and it works. I don't know. We'll see. Beautiful thing, y'all. That's a good solution right there. Quick and easy. I just need to put some padding on there. There's that padding on that side. Something like that. Piece of nylon, fall. Put over there. Take this. That's a beautiful thing. Where am I hearing pigs? Let me go. We'll talk from the wood, y'all.